Billy Crandall has some of them. Maybe some of them did get sold off, but I think a fair amount of them, Frankie told Billy
I heard he had a huge collection.
He did. I mean, he had some kind of rare ones, like sandwiches. Yes, and I've been in his barn, and you want to talk about freaking jewel. I go in there, right? He opens the doors, I go in there, and he's got all these old engines, right? And he never told me that he had a couple of nice old two-stroke.
Say hi, guys.
In the back.
Hi. Rick and Ronnie joining me here with my steam engines, just having a nice Friday afternoon.
So anyway, he never told me he had a couple of cool
Starting the injector.
Really?
Yeah, with they were
nice.
I forget. I think they might have been small speeder frames. I don't remember. They might have even been Fairmonts. I'm not sure, but it's a long way. But anyway, I'm in there, right? Here I am around all these buildings, and it was in the fall, so it started to get dark early. So he reaches over and goes, twist, and I heard the snap, and I said, I just heard an antique snap switch this time on, me with my lighting, right?
Oh, yeah.
The whole fucking barn was full of mint, like brand fucking new.
Couldn't ask for a better day
wiring.
at all.
That looked like the day they put it in,
really?
with the little drop cloth twisted drop cords, type C cords.
Whereabouts did he
They
live?
had regular bulbs in them, but if you'd have put Edison bulbs in there, it would have took you back 100 years in time.
Gotta give this girl a little oil.
Just outside of Valley Falls. When you got into Valley Falls, where the rail terminal was, on your left, there was the what used to be the rail terminal, and there's a road to the right, directly across from it, that goes up. He was up in there, where he was.
My coal-fired Hamburg vertical, the back there.
He said, well, guess what? I said, what? He said, my house is full of that crap, too. I said, dude, I love it. He says, is this shit even safe? I said,
That'll be the next project on the list.
and at that time, it wasn't quite 100 years yet, because it was in like the 90s.
Probably about 50, 60, 70 years, maybe.
About 80, close to 80 at the time, because I think the wiring was installed.
Just waiting for a base for that,
like
and some grates. I smoke plenum.
Like 1900 something, maybe 1910 at the latest. And he said, is this shit even safe? And I said, no, how old's the house? And he told me the barn in the house. So he just said it was like 1908 and it was wired. And
Oh, shit, wow.
yeah.
Injector one more time.
I said, and he told the original wiring. He said, yeah. I said,
Come on, girl. There she goes.
He said, everything works perfect. I said, well, let's put it this way. Is it a safe wiring method? It's been going all this time. It's never given me a slight bit of trouble. And I don't see any wires that look like they're wherever overheated or overloaded or burnt. You know what? Leave it. There's nothing wrong with it. Don't let some electrician say, oh, no, we wire with Romex. Fuck Romex. Especially out in the country.
So long, guys.